Paley, the former library, is being reimagined as the new home of the College of Public Health. We're keeping the existing structure. We're not demolishing the existing structure, but we're expanding on it as well as modifying it.
The new building will include many unique features, like a state-of-the-art simulation center that will include a model row home, a park, an ambulance, and a restaurant. But that's not all.
I think the other exciting space is a teaching kitchen. So we will have a large teaching kitchen, lots of glass so people can watch what's going on.
This building will allow the College of Public Health to finally be under one roof.
We currently are in about 15 different buildings across campus. To be able to bring all of that talent together with our students and our staff in the same building is incredibly exciting.
Temple University broke ground just last week at the new site for the College of Public Health that is set to open fall of 2025.
Behind the large red fence, a lot of changes are being made.
I don't think anybody is going to remember what the old Paley looked like as soon as the doors open on that building.
The construction workers are working hard on Temple's new centerpiece of campus. It will include 2 more floors and will end up being an $160 million project.